This is like I'm starting a department store. This is something KSI would wear to the fight. The retail was $595. What is good, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a pretty unique video. I went ahead and went to a liquidation website and bought basically designer clothing returns and closeout sales and different things, 2 orders of these different boxes of clothes. This is actually only 1 order. The second order is a single box that got stolen in my apartment complex. Somebody stole it from the package room, so I'm investigating that now, and I'm kind of pissed because that was a better box than these 2, but this came with 2 boxes, and this is 25 total clothing pieces. So how this works is I bought the box for $255.91, and the total retail is $2,345.75 worth of clothing. Essentially, I'm getting $2,400 worth of clothes for $255. Now, there is somebody that I have to give credit for this kind of original idea. He wasn't the first person to ever do something like this, but it was Random Frank P. He kind of had a video go viral of him buying Amazon returns. So I thought, how can I spin this into my realm of stuff? And I couldn't find anything, so I went to just so many different websites, and I found this one here, and that is kind of where I did. Now, this is not a promo. I'm telling you where I got it, so if you guys wanted to do this, I don't really recommend it, but I do want to do something for you guys. Since there's 2 boxes here, let's go ahead and do a giveaway, because why not? So I haven't even opened these yet. I don't even know what's in each individual box. To enter the giveaway, I'm going to give away just one of these boxes. What you have to do, you have to follow me on Instagram, of course. You have to subscribe to the channel, and then you have to comment down below your Instagram and which box you want. Whatever box you pick, before you see what's inside is what you'll get. So you get this box right here and this one here. So comment box number 1 if you want this box right here. Comment box number 2 if you want this one. And then I'm going to announce the winner once I get the second box in, where I find whoever stole it or another, something like that. As well as I'm going to be announcing the winner to the giveaway of the Vapor Maxes at the end of this video, so stick around for that. Now let's just go ahead and just get into this video. Okay, so how it works is they gave me kind of a list of different brands that are in there, and they didn't give me exact things. They kind of give you a description of it, but there's a lot of different things in here from James Purse. I've seen John Elliott, and that is the one I'm really excited about. And there's other brands that you guys might know about. I'm not sure, but I have kind of a list here so you know what you're getting into. It says the retail prices as well as the price that you're getting it for, essentially. So it'll say like $79.99 for this Robert Graham something. That was the retail price, and you get it for like 14 bucks as how they break it down. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open these up and see what we got. So this box is kind of lighter than this one. This one feels really heavy, and we have 25 items in these boxes right here. Let's, without further ado, get into it. These boxes were pretty beat up. They've taped them a few times. There's tape freaking laying everywhere. Let me open this one up. On the outside, this one says like category young men's contemporary, I think, and then this one says job out, and then that's all like men's. So I don't know what it has to do with, but they're probably, I don't even know. So this box is just, there's just a ton of clothes just thrown in here. So let's just see what we got, and hopefully this isn't an out. What I'm gonna be doing is if there's some stuff that you guys might like, I might put them on the website, so we will see. But the first thing I see are these pants right here, and these look like some just tan pants. These are, okay, so these are James Purse pants in a size 4, originally $225, now $56.97. So I guess these were on clearance wherever they were at, and they were on sale and they never sold, but they're really like, this is like a wide pair of pants, it looks like, but these look kind of cool. They're kind of wide leg. They look like beach pants. So we have a pair of these. There's a tally of 225. Let's go ahead and grab whatever is next. We have another pair of those, the same thing in a size 4, the same size. James Purse is a really cool brand. I had a hat from there that used to be very popular. Justin Bieber wore one back in the day. That's how I kind of found the brand. And my dad bought some shirts because he liked them, so maybe he'll like these, he can wear them. I don't know. So let's keep moving. I'm just gonna put this like this so you guys can see what's in there. Literally another pair. I didn't even mean to grab this. This is another one. Same thing, 225. So that's 3 at 225. What am I gonna do with 3 pairs of James Purse pants? This is why people don't buy these things. This is why you shouldn't buy one, because what are you gonna do with them? Then we have, okay, we have a t-shirt here. This actually looks pretty dope. There's like a graphic on it. So this was originally $330, and they had it on sale for $70. But let's see what this looks like. This is pretty cool. It says look like Unreal right there. There's like a snake. And then the back, I think this is the same thing. This is Unravel Project. I feel like I've heard of that before. Yeah, I feel like I've heard of that before, but this is kind of cool. It's just like a snake and it says Unravel. I like it. I mean, it's a pretty decent shirt, size extra large on that. So that's a pretty decent, that's a pretty expensive shirt. They had it $330, then it marked down to $198, then marked down to $132, and now it's at $70. So that's pretty cool. I don't know. I feel like I've heard of Unravel, but maybe not. So let me go ahead and get to the next thing. What do we have in here? This is a shirt from James Purse, another James Purse, size 2, originally $195 and had it for $56.97. It's a black shirt. This looks pretty nice. Let me go ahead and throw this on over mine. This looks like beach clothing. Like if you're like going to the beach, like this on and those pants, be silky. James Purse is amazing quality. And this is not lacking. Do I look like I'm at the beach? Why do I keep saying beach? All right, let's keep moving. What do we have? This is blue shirt. This is like your mom's Hawaiian t-shirt. So let's see what this is. This is a D squared too. So I did see that there's a D squared. This is kind of cool. The retail was $595 and they had it down to $238 and then $138, and that's pretty cool. $595. This is a really nice quality. I've known D squared too. That's like a popular brand, but I guess they have a lot of stuff on sale. I don't know. That's kind of cool though. D squared. I wonder if there's any like flaws or anything with these or why they're so on sale. Size 50, made in Italy. That's pretty decent right there. So let's keep moving on. We have a t-shirt here. This is a long sleeve. Oh, this is James Purse. This actually might be nice. My dad bought a James Purse long sleeve when he was there. This is running $145 down to $40. That's crazy. This is like $45. This thing is so soft. Feel that, Alec? Isn't that pretty decent? Yeah. That's pretty nice. 145 retail. That's pretty decent. I don't think you need this many pieces of clothing, but so this is a John Varvatos made in USA. This retailed at $68 and it's $20 now. It's just a nice blue t-shirt, kind of matches the D squared. Where's that other shirt? This is John Varvatos, and then this one was, oh, this is Ben Taverni. So I don't know why I said that. What do we got left? We got 2 shirts left and this box is empty. Let's see, we have a James Purse shirt. Nice black t-shirt here. These are nice. Like this is nice quality for $250. Honestly, like looking at some of these things, if I could sell them, I could easily make my money back. So this started at $105 down to $28. And I guess it's if you have the market to sell it. Maybe like a store that's opening would buy these and be able to sell them at a good price or something. For me, I can sell them to my viewers at a good deal. But like let's say your friend Johnny wants to buy them, who is he gonna sell them to? It's kind of hard to find it, but for me, I have an audience, so it could make sense. And then lastly, we have a Calvin Klein t-shirt. So Calvin Klein is sold in Urban Outfitters, wherever. Yeah, this was originally $40 down to $11. This is kind of cool. I mean, so far so good. I'm happy. If I could sell this D squared shirt, even they couldn't sell it at $138. If I could sell this for like $100, we're almost halfway at what I paid. So it's not too bad. Next one, another one says the same thing, category young men's contemporary, 15 quantity in here. This one says the same thing, job out, and that's all. This one says something about Bloomingdale's, so see what we got in here. Open this up. This box was like battered into, look how beat this looks like somebody just went to this. If there's clothes in it, who cares, but okay, let's open this up. I need to stop going. Okay, come on. So much tape. All right, we're opening this up. This thing is so deep. Another box full of clothing. What would you guys expect? And we have like a mystery opening. First things first is, this does not look good. Robert Graham. This is your uncle, your dad going to play golf on Saturday or Sunday. This is their vest. They got their polo on and they got this. This is originally $168 down to $30 and they couldn't even sell it. All right, we'll keep going. I got this on, this is the same button down as the last one it looks like. This is another James Purse. Yep, $195 to $42. James Purse size 3. Another, what is this, 2 now? Throw this over here. And then we got t-shirt. This is a weatherproof vintage. This stuff is like in the way. Weatherproof vintage, $55 down to $12. This is just like a regular shirt, nothing special. Another James Purse, size 3. I'm gonna have 5 of these. I'm gonna put these on my website for cheap. These are pretty nice though. I mean, I don't know if you guys would like something like this, but they're pretty nice. And for 145 retail, literally another one. There's another one. This is what, 4 now? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my lord. I should have looked at the freaking inventory sheet. Then we have a sovereign code. This is like a Target. 64 to 17. Yeah. This has like pigeons on it. Nope. Keep going. There's so much stuff. What is this next thing? This brand is Buffalo. This is like Ed Hardy, Affliction, David. I don't know. this is an L. I would never wear this, but if one of you guys wants it, you can have it. But that's not really encouraging anybody to want to buy it if I'm saying I don't like it. So I don't like that, and I'm not gonna gonna lie. It's like, this is another Buffalo, David something. This is something KSI would wear to the fight. It's not bad. I mean, this one's from Bloomingdale. They had it at $26 on sale. I don't know what the total was. There's so much stuff in here. It's good. 25 pieces. Then we have a green. This is like an olive. This could work. Just like an olive button down. I'm trying to think of the words. And this is from Sovereign Code. $64 down to $11. Keep moving. We got two things. Another vest. Another dad's golfing vest. Great. It's great. We got two of them. We got a Calvin Klein. This is not bad, actually. This is like a button down. This looks like something you'd see at Urban Outfitters, honestly. You can see like the details in there. It's like just different colors. This one came in at the Calvin Klein tag, $69, and they sold for $20. Got a red shirt here. This box has been an L in comparison to the last one. This has Tom Snyder champion shirt, a red shirt. I don't know. What am I supposed to keep talking about it? They're just shirts. This is another freaking James purse. It is. We got 5 now. Like, really? Golly. There's literally another one. I'm over this. Oh wait, no. This is the John Elliott tee. So I saw John Elliott on the list. This is kind of cool. Let's see what the retail, what was this? This was $78 originally. Had it for $31.20. It's not bad for John Elliott tee. John Elliott is really good quality. I have a sweatshirt from John Elliott in, I mean, it's cool, black t-shirt, size XL. Looks pretty simple, nice simplistic vibes. And then we have another James Purse shirt, 6. Is it 5, 6? And that is all we have. I'm gonna be doing another one of these. I think it'd be fun. Well, I have another one coming in. It has like Y3 in it. It has a bunch of cool different brands. Okay, so for these, if any of you guys want this, I'm gonna put a lot up on my website and try to give you guys good deals. Just try to make my money back. It's $255 I need to make back. There's some stuff I might keep depending on how much I can get for them. And then everything else I'm going to be donating to like a local Goodwill or something like that, just so I can give back and give some clothes to some people, pull out everything. Look at all these clothes we have. Look how many, this is like I'm starting a department store. I like this one. It looks like a weird Hawaiian shirt, but it's probably because it's D squared that I like it. Then I like this James Purse long sleeve here. I probably will wear this in the fall, just like a cozy around the house. This thing is gonna be perfect. And then this Unravel was pretty cool. It's a nice t-shirt with a graphic. Maybe should I put some of it on real quick so you guys can see? Let me throw it on. Here's the Unravel shirt. This one looks pretty nice actually. I'll probably end up wearing this. It's got red. It was down to what, $70? I would pay, I'd probably pay like 50 for something like this. It's pretty good though, pretty decent quality. Here's the James Purse one. Does this look bad? It looks kind of skinny fit, but here's the D squared shirt. This one is pretty nice. This is pretty cool. It's good quality. $600 retail. I would never in my life. This is like SpongeBob SquarePants. Yeah, these are like the main ones that I had a keen for. But if I can find any uses out of the other ones, I'll update you guys. Now let's go ahead and see who won that Vapor Max giveaway. And yeah, then we're gonna go ahead and wrap the video. So we're here on the website to go ahead and give away this pair of Vapor Max right here. We loaded up the comments, or I'm gonna load them up right now. This website randomly picks a comment. You guys can see size 11 Vapor Max sold for $578 through StockX. These were sent from StockX, all authenticated and everything. You guys can sell them, get your own size. You can keep them. You can, you know, sell them and keep the money, $500, whatever. Almost done loading the comments. 4,956 entries. Alrighty, randomly pick winner. 3, 2, 1. Vapor Max Instagram, Jarrett Going Threat. Let's go ahead and make sure he's doing all the following. Going to their Instagram, Jared Threat. Yep, he's following them. And he's following me. Congratulations, Jared. You have just won. He actually has a pretty dope page too. He has like a kind of some cool pictures. So congrats to Jared. I'm gonna be announcing the winner to the giveaway of the box that you guys will win in the next video when you see that. So look out for that and cut back to me ending the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please smash that like button, enter the giveaway, and I'll see you guys next time. This is Harrison signing out.